Hello everybody, this is Oliver. This is the MathWiz channel. Today we're continuing practicing and solving problems from lesson 1.1 from the Larson textbook. And let's start. So the first problem is 15 minus a when a equals 3, as you can see from the screen here. So I'm going to zoom in. So the first problem is 15 minus a when a equals 3. And again, this is let me see, scroll up here. So we're lesson 1.1 review for mastery, and we're solving problems 1 through 6. So the first one is 15 minus a when a equals 3. So this becomes 15 minus 3, which is 12. Okay, so 15 minus 3, 5 minus 3 is 2, and 1, so it's 12. That's the solution for 1. 2 is 3b when 3b when b equals 7. So 3 times 7 is 21. So this is 3 times 7, which is 21. That's the solution for 2. Number 3 is 11 plus c, and c is 10. So this becomes 21. 4 is 28 over d when d is 4. So this is 28 over 4. And then what number times 4 is 28? That is 7. 7 times 4 is 28. So 7 is the solution for number 4. Number 5 is 1/2 times n, and n is 18, or 18 over 1, right? It's the same thing. And then you can cancel out 2 and 18 by 2. So this becomes 1, this becomes 9. So this becomes 9. Okay. Another way to do it is 1/2 times 18 over 1. So 1 times 18 is 18. 2 times 1 is 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Okay, so 9 is the solution for 5. Number 6, 0.4 times f, where f is 8. So 4 times 8 is 32. And then there is 1 decimal point here. So 1 decimal point here. So the answer is 3.2. Okay, that's number 6. And this is again lesson 1.1, a review for mastery. This is going to be the last lesson for the last video for section 1.1. There are a few more problems here, so let me scroll down. All right. Right, next is number 7. That is 5 gallons. So 5 times each gallon of gasoline is $2.26. So times $2.26. And that is 5 times 6 is 30, 0 and 3. 5 times 2 is 10 and 3, 13, 3 and 1. 5 times 2 is 10 and 1, 11, and then 1, 2, 2 decimal places, right? 1, 2 decimal places, 1, 2 decimal places. So it's 11.3, the total cost, okay? So the total cost is $11.30. That's for 5 gallons of gasoline, because each gallon is $2.26. So you just multiply them. So the expression would be 5x, okay, where x is the price, $2.26 per gallon. Right. Number 8, you purchase 8 gallons of gasoline when the price is 2.20. What's the total cost? So it's the same thing. So this would be 8x, where 8 times x is $2.20. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 2 is 16. 6 and 1, we remember 8 times 2 is 16, and the 1 17. And then 1, 2 decimal, 1, 2. So it's 17. The total cost is 17.60. Okay. And then we have 3 more, I believe. 9, 10, and 11. Number 9 is write the power in words and as a product. As a product, this would be 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, 8 times 4 times 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So that would be the power as a product, and then the power in words, it would be 4 4 to the 8th power. To the 8th power. Number 10, 1/3 to the 4th. So this would be, in words, it would be 1/3 to the 4th power. Okay, and then as a product, it would be 1/3 times 1/3 times 1/3 times 1/3. So the exponent is 4, so 4 times we're multiplying 1/3 by itself. And then 11 is x squared. So the power as a product would be x times x, and then the power in words, it would be x squared. Okay, and I believe that's it with the review for mastery. And then challenge practice. There are about 8 problems. So the first one, let's take a look at the first one. So how many squares of side length s half can fit within a square of side length s? So let's draw a square here with side s. Okay, so this is a square with side s. How many squares of side length s half? So s half would be this, and then s half here would be this. So you can imagine there's one here, and then there's one here, because this is s half, this is s half, this is s half, this whole thing is s, right? But this here is s half, and then from here to here is s half, then from here to here is s half, from here to here is s half. So there are really how many? One, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many squares of side length s half can fit within a square of side length s? 4. Okay. Then how many squares of side length s third can fit within a square of side length s? So the same thing, let's draw, I'm going to draw a bigger one. Okay. And this is s third, so this is s third, 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 s third. This whole thing is s, right? So you can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. And now you can get a sense of the expression that is being used to calculate these. So you see, what is the relationship between 2 and 4 and 3 and 9? So it's basically 2 times 2 is 4, or 2 squared. And then here we get 3 times 3, or 3 squared. So it's always squared, but the denominator, whatever the denominator, we square that to get how many squares of side length s over that number x, let's say, the denominator. Okay, so in this case, for number 3, when s over 4, then we can say 4 times 4, or 4 squared, that's 16. So 16 is the answer. And then what is s over n? If the side length is s over n, how many squares can fit within a square of side length s? N times n, or n squared. So whatever the denominator is, squared. Okay, so this is 2 squared, that's 2 times 2, 4. 3 squared, or that's 3 times 3, 9. This is 4 squared, or 4 times 4, 16. And then n squared, or n times n. Okay, and then that was squares, and now cubes. Questions 5 to 8, how many cubes of side length s half can fit within a cube of side length s? So, okay, so let's think about this. So let's get the first one, number 5. And then this is a cube, right? And then that's the side in the back, okay? So dotted lines. So how many cubes? Okay, so think about it. We divide all these by half. So there is 1 here. This is 1, right? There is 2, there is 3, there is 4. So there are 4 on the top, and then there are 4 on the bottom here, right? So that is 8, right? So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, and then the one in the back here, 8. So there are 8. So there are 8. And what's the formula? It's actually, you can see here, square. Since it's squares, it's x to the it's x squared. Cubes, it's x cubed. So this is 2/3, 2 to the third power, or that's 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So here it would be what, 27? So it would be 3 cubed, or that's 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27. Okay? Sorry. And then the next one, s over 4 is the side length. So it would be 4 cubed. Or that is 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. And then what if it's generic? N. So it's going to be n cubed. N times n times n. So what's the solution? It's n cubed. All right. So if you like this video, and if you want me to keep teaching you and learning algebra with you, and you want me to continue solving a lot of these algebra problems, please like and subscribe to this channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.